All right, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about one of the most famous destinations on the entire planet, Waikiki. And get this, how you can experience the absolute best of it without ever even touching your wallet.
You know, when you close your eyes and just picture Hawaii, this is pretty much it, isn't it? That incredible golden sand, the perfect waves, and oh, that sunset over Diamond Head. It's the dream vacation, a true slice of paradise.
Okay, but let's be real for a second. That dream can feel, well, pretty expensive. There's this idea that a trip to Honolulu is going to drain your bank account faster than you can finish a tropical drink on a hot day.
But what if I told you that's not the whole story? What if the best parts of Waikiki, the most authentic, the most vibrant, the stuff you'll remember forever, are actually, and I mean this, 100% free?
So first things first, let's talk about the jaw-dropping natural beauty that's literally all around you the second you get there.
So beyond all the busy sidewalks, you've got these incredible green spaces. Like this one. This is Kapi'olani Park. It is huge, and it was actually a gift to the people from King Kalakaua himself. It's the perfect spot for a picnic, a nice walk, or just to get away from the hustle and bustle for a bit.
Okay, now listen up, because this is probably the single most important tip for anyone visiting Hawaii on a budget. Ready? All beaches in Hawaii are public. I'm not kidding. Not some of them, not most of them, all of them. So that fancy resort with the prime beachfront? Yep, that's your beach too.
So what does that mean? It means you can plan an entire day of awesome stuff for free. Just throw down a towel and soak up some sun. Or if you want a little action, head over to the sandbar near the Royal Hawaiian. It's great for body surfing. You could even catch a free concert by the Royal Hawaiian Band in Kapi'olani Park, a tradition that goes way, way back to the 1800s. And for some calmer swimming and just epic sunsets, you've got to check out Ala Moana Beach Park.
Okay, moving on from the great outdoors, let's dive into the local flavor and all the fun stuff that's always happening. Because Waikiki isn't just about pretty views, right? It's about this amazing energy, this vibe. There's always something going on.
And there's one signature free event. I mean, this is the one thing you absolutely cannot miss. And it happens every single Friday night.
That's right, the Hilton Hawaiian Village puts on this huge fireworks show right over the water. It's a total Waikiki tradition. Seriously, it's the perfect way to kick off the weekend.
But hey, here's a little pro tip for you. A lot of tourists, they all crowd onto Kuhio Beach to watch. But the locals, they know the real best view is from the stretch of beach right in front of Fort DeRussi. Trust me, it's a way better, much less crowded experience.
And the fun doesn't even stop there. Honestly, just taking a walk down Kalakaua Avenue at night is an event in itself. You've got street performers, singers, magicians, dancers, basically turning the whole sidewalk into a stage. You can just stand and watch incredible surfers at sunset, wander through a colorful farmer's market, or you might even get lucky and stumble upon a massive free festival, like the legendary Waikiki Spam Jam.
But you know, Waikiki is so much more than just beaches and fireworks. It's just packed with this incredibly rich history and culture. And the best part? You don't need to buy an expensive ticket to experience it. So here's a perfect example. A lot of people think, oh, I have to go to a pricey luau to see real hula. Nope, not true at all. There are these amazing, totally free hula shows every week. A lot of them are right on the beach at sunset. You should definitely check out places like the Kuhio Beach Hula Mound. And hey, why just watch when you can actually join in? A lot of the local shopping centers and hotels offer free cultural classes. You can learn how to make a traditional flower lei, take a beginner hula lesson, or even learn to play the ukulele. You can literally walk away with a new skill and a memory that's just priceless.
And if you're a history buff, you've got to check out the U.S. Army Museum of Hawaii. It is completely free to get in, and it's so fascinating. It covers everything from ancient Hawaiian warriors and their strategies all the way up through World War II. Or how about a little adventure? You can take yourself on a self-guided tour of the Waikiki Historic Trail. Just keep an eye out for these really cool surfboard-shaped markers. Every single one tells a story about the chiefs, the queens, the big events that shaped this place. It's basically like a giant, free outdoor museum.
You know, all these different activities, they all kind of point to something bigger, something that really defines the islands. And it's something that you can't buy, not at any price.
Because really, the absolute best thing about Hawaii, it's the people. It's that feeling, that sense of welcome, of connection. You find it in these little moments, and those end up being the most valuable souvenirs you take home. The source material for this explainer put it perfectly. This spirit is something you experience, not something you buy. They said you cannot buy it or sell it. It is given, shared, and lived. And you'll feel it. A smile from the person teaching you to make a lei, a quick wave from a surfer, the song a musician is playing on the corner, that is the real Hawaii.
So, let's bring it all together. It's totally possible, no, it's easy to have a super rich, unforgettable vacation in Waikiki, one that's just packed with adventure and culture. So, just to recap the big takeaways here. Remember, every single beach is public and free. Keep an eye out for those awesome weekly events, like the fireworks and the hula shows. You can dive deep into history with free museums and walking trails. You can even pick up a new skill at a complimentary cultural class. But really, above all else, the best experiences are just about soaking it all in and connecting with the people.
So you see, the real question isn't, can I afford to go to Waikiki? The question is, now that you know all these incredible free things you can do, what's your perfect wallet-free day in paradise going to look like?
And we have to give a huge shout out to the local experts at Hula Private Tours. Their amazing research and deep insider knowledge is what made this whole explainer possible. Thank you.